So this example, we really confused Karel. We tried to put two commands on one line. It gave us the red bar because it thought it was missing a semicolon after it read the first command, even though we have a semicolon at the very end. After it read the first command, then it moved on and read the next command because we didn't give it a semicolon and moved to the next line to give the next command. So that's why it says unexpected identifier move. It's just confused when it's looking for other parentheses. In this example, again, Karel can only take one command per line. And so even though we have the semicolons between each command and at the very end, Karel will not be able to run this code because it can only have one command per line. Finally, Karel is able to run this code. However, you see the yellow block on the left on line number 5. And that's because it's actually giving you an indentation error and telling you how many times to indent this line back. Karel's language expects the code to be lined up on the left side until we get into some other more complex code later on. Now that you've practiced debugging and also seeing some bad code, you'll be able to now look for these messages from Karel to help fix your syntax errors. And this is going to be your journey to becoming a great coding debugger.